7 students. Good morning, Room 7 families. Mrs. Glucksman here. I hope you had a great Tuesday yesterday. I hope you had a lot of fun. Maybe you had a dance party with your family to celebrate our ABC countdown. And I hope that you had a good time doing that. So let's go ahead and get started. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you, very well, thank you. And you, and you. Let's do French. Bonjour, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Merci beaucoup, merci beaucoup. Et vous, et vous. Let's do Armenian. Barilus, barilus, inch pesek, yes lovem, Duke, inch pesek, Duke, inch pesek. Let's go ahead and see what day it is. Yesterday was Tuesday, so that makes today Wednesday, and the name of our month is May. Yesterday was May 12th. Do you know what comes after number 12? Let's count and find out. Let's do an ABC pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's right. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. The weather outside this morning in Los Angeles is a little cloudy again. It's partly cloudy. I can see the sun trying to come out, but it's cloudy, partly cloudy. So I'm going to color in another cloudy bar on our weather graph. And today we're still talking about farm animals, and I have a really silly story for you today. This story is called Cock-a-moo-moo. Wait a minute. Chickens don't say cock-a-moo-moo, right? This book, I really like this book because it's really silly. So let's go ahead and start reading. Cock-a-moo-moo by Juliette Dallas Conte and illustrated by Allison Barlett. Poor Rooster had forgotten how to crow. When the sun came up in the morning, he took a deep breath and he shouted, "Cock-a-moo-moo! That's not right," said the cows. "Only cows go moo." So he tried again. "Cock-a-quack-quack! That's not right," said the ducks. "Only ducks go quack." So he tried again. "Cock-a-oink-oink! That's not right," said the pigs. "Only pigs go oink." So he tried again. "Cock-a-ba! That's not right," said the sheep. "Only sheep go ba." "Silly Rooster," said the chickens. "You're getting it all wrong." Rooster was very unhappy. "I'm never going to crow again," he said. Poor Rooster. But that night, when all the animals were asleep, Rooster heard a noise. Someone was sniffling and rustling and sneaking into the hen house. What do you think it was? It was a fox. Remember, Room 7 students, we know that foxes are very sneaky animals from the books we read way back when we read gingerbread books. "Cock-a-moo-moo!" shouted Rooster. "Cock-a-quack-quack! Cock-a-oink-oink! Cock-a-ba-ba!" All the animals woke up. They came running and chased the fox away. "We're saved," clucked the chickens. "You're a hero!" cried the animals. Rooster was so happy. "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" he crowed, and he never got it wrong again. The end. I love that story, and I love how Rooster just needed a little bit of encouragement. So every time we read a book in room 7, we add it to our calendar. This one kind of blends in with our yellow background. So there's Cockamoo right next to my barn and Big Red Barn. Let's go ahead and take a look at our caterpillars today. Actually, I think today we should probably let them go. They've been in here for a couple days now and they've been eating the watermelon, but I don't want anything bad to happen to them. So I think we should let the 4 that hatched go. So at the end of the video today, or maybe right now, we should take them outside and let them go. What do you think? They're so beautiful to watch, but I want them to be free. The 4th one is over there. We still have one more too that we can watch. One more chrysalis that's still there. So let's go ahead and take them outside and let them go. Okay, room 7 students, we've moved the butterfly cage outside and now we're just patiently waiting for them to come out. Oh, come on little butterflies, fly. That one's flying.
Oh,
oh, it's coming. There it goes! Magical. Okay.
Daddy, just wait for the other one.
Oh, you have to be patient. Oh, there goes another one! There it goes. Fly, butterfly, fly away.
Okay.
Okay, 2 more. Come on, little butterflies. You can do it.
Oh, that one's moving.
Takes a lot of patience. They're just not sure. They've never been outside before. Come on, little butterflies. Maybe if I take that whole thing out, the watermelon out, carefully. There we go. Okay, butterfly. There you go.
Can I?
Can you what?
Can I eat the watermelon?
No. The butterflies have been eating this watermelon. Maybe we can get a good picture of it drinking. Oh, there it goes. Bye-bye, butterfly.
I'm just
Okay.
this one.
One more.
Come on.
One more. Let's see, maybe I can take that paper towel out. I don't want to touch the butterfly. Never touch a butterfly's wings because your fingers have oil on it, and the oil on your fingers can actually damage the butterfly's wings. So you never really want to touch a butterfly. But maybe if I move this a little. Oh, okay.
No, he's on the side.
Come on, little butterfly. Give her a taste of some freedom. There you go, butterfly.
No, you just gotta fly up.
Stand back, Dodger. We don't want
Stand
Dodger
back.
to eat.
Don't eat, don't eat, don't eat, don't
Go
eat.
ahead, butterfly. This one is our last chrysalis. So as soon as this butterfly flies away, we will go take the net back inside so that that last butterfly can come out of chrysalis. Go ahead, butterfly. Dodger, stop.
Dodger, Dodger, Dodger. You can send me out too.
Okay, butterfly. Go for it. Ella, don't shake it. Can I take it up? No, it's okay. It will go. Brody, you keep the dog back.
Stay back, Dodger, just for your own safety.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, and
Dodger.
okay, now the butterflies are free, and we just have that one last chrysalis. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Okay, students, well that was really exciting, and I'm so glad the butterflies can fly free and enjoy their day. And we still have that one last chrysalis in there, so we'll still get one more butterfly, hopefully. Now it's time for you to go ahead and log on to Seesaw. We have all kinds of fun farm activities for you and letter Y activities for you, so I hope you enjoy them. Our challenge activity today, continuing with our ABC countdown. So yesterday was letter D. What comes after D? If you said E, you're correct. So today is Experiment Day. Experiment Day. We did lots of different experiments when we were in our classroom in room 7, but I have a really fun one for you to try at home if you have the ingredients. So what you're gonna need is an empty plastic water bottle, or any type of bottle, plastic bottle, some baking soda, some vinegar, a balloon, and if you have a funnel, it makes it a lot easier. You don't need one, but if you have one, it makes it a lot easier. So the very first thing we're gonna do is put some baking soda, put the funnel into the balloon, and then put some baking soda into our balloon. So this takes a little bit of time and patience because you kind of have to shake it down. If you don't have a funnel, you're gonna have to ask your mom and dad for help because it's kind of hard to get. One of you might have to hold the balloon open and the other one put the baking soda in. I'm looking to see if I have a pen or I have a pair of scissors that I can push. You kind of have to push that baking soda down into the balloon. You don't need a lot, just a spoonful. I might put just one extra spoonful in. Just a little bit of baking soda into the bottom of the balloon. Push it down in there. You can use a pencil to push it down. Then I'm going to take this off. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar into our bottle. Not too much, just a little bit of vinegar into the bottom of the bottle. There we are. I know you can't see it because it's clear, but it goes to right about there. Then what I'm gonna do, carefully, and you can have your mom and dad help you with this part, is very carefully I'm gonna put the balloon, the top of the balloon, onto the bottle without pouring the vinegar in, okay? So now the balloon is attached to the bottle, the vinegar is in the bottom, and the baking soda is here in the bottom of the balloon. What do you think is gonna happen to the balloon when we put the baking soda inside? Anyone wanna guess? Let's find out. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Hopefully this works. 1, 2, 3. Look what's happening. The balloon blows up. Oh, and I'm making a big mess. Do you see all the bubbles? Look at that. That was called a chemical reaction. The baking soda and the vinegar reacted, made some bubbles, some air, and the gas went into the balloon and actually blew the balloon up. Isn't that amazing? I love playing with vinegar and baking soda. If you don't have a balloon, you can also just take a little bit of vinegar, spread it onto a plate, and then you can add a little bit of, not vinegar, spread the baking soda onto a plate, and then you can add a little vinegar. We did this in class many times, so I'm sure you guys will remember what happened. Need to get a little, sorry, this is a huge pipette. I don't know if I can get it out. No. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit on, and you'll remember what happened. Remember what happens when we add the vinegar to the baking soda? We get the reaction. Look at all those bubbles happening. So today I'd like you to challenge you to play with vinegar and baking soda and see what happens. If you don't have vinegar and baking soda, go ahead and try your own experiment. There's so many experiments online, and I know your grown-up can help you find one that has materials that you have at home. So E is for Experiment Day. Have fun experimenting, my little scientists, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!